Okay, students, we start from dividing equation 2 by equation 3 because in last video we have derived that expressions up to equations 3. Now equation 2 omega 2 f dash omega 1 omega 2 is equal to f dash omega 1 divided by omega 1 f dash omega 1 omega 2 divided by f dash omega 2. Now cancel out, so you can write f dash omega 1 f dash omega 1 is equal to omega 2 f dash omega 2 because there is two system. If there will be three system, then omega 3 f dash omega 3 and so on, that will be equal to k constant, where k is some constant. Now f dash omega 1, that will be equal to k by omega 1. F dash omega 2, that will be equal to k by omega 2, and f dash omega 3, that will be equal to k by omega 3. Now integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. Integrate both sides. इंटीग्रेट बोथ साइड एफ डैश ओमेगा 1 इंटीग्रेट करोगे तो स्टूडेंट्स एफ ऑफ ओमेगा 1 इज इक्वल टू के कॉन्स्टेंट 1 बाय ओमेगा, दैट विल बी log ऑफ ओमेगा 1 प्लस सम कॉन्स्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. सिमिलरली एफ ऑफ ओमेगा 2 means if you integrate this equation, that will be equal to k log of omega 2 plus c2 and so on and so on. So generally you can write f of omega is equal to k log of omega plus c, where c is constant of integration, and that will be find according to third law of thermodynamics. Third law of thermodynamics या Nernst heat law. C, that is called constant of integration, constant of integration, and find with the help of third law of thermodynamics या from Nernst heat law. Okay, according to Nernst heat law, if temperature, the entropy of a thermodynamic system tend to 0 if its temperature tend to absolute 0. Means students, S tend to 0 if T tend to 0. If temperature tend to absolute 0, then entropy also approach to 0. The temperature tending to absolute 0 is generally attained by the process of adiabatic demagnetization. Basically, in adiabatic demagnetization process, if you put a paramagnetic salt in the presence of a high magnetic field such that all the spin of electron align themselves in parallel to the directions of applied magnetic field, means at absolute 0 all the electron spin align themselves parallel to directions of the applied magnetic field. At absolute 0 means when T approach to 0, all the spin align themselves parallel to applied magnetic field. Parallel to applied magnetic field means all the electron spins align themselves parallel to directions of applied magnetic field, because at absolute 0 there is no thermal energy to disturb their alignment. Means students, there will be only one possible configuration in which all the electron spin align in a particular direction. It means that at absolute 0 the thermodynamical probability is equal to 1. Thermodynamical probability is equal to 1. When T approach to 0 means omega approach to 1. ठीक है, because at absolute 0 there will be only one possible configuration या arrangement of the electron spin. If you put S is equal to 0 and omega is equal to 1 in that general equation थी students हमारे पास S is equal to K log of omega plus C. पुट करना, S की जगह 0 पुट करो स्टूडेंट, 0 is equal to K log ऑफ ओमेगा की जगह 1 पुट करो प्लस सी, 0 इज इक्वल टू के डॉट log 1 0 प्लस सी, इट मीन सी इज इक्वल टू 0. जब आप वापस पुट करोगे स्टूडेंट सी की जगह 0, तो एस इज इक्वल टू के log ऑफ ओमेगा. And that is also equal to f of omega. This is the well-known equation connecting entropy and thermodynamical probability and is known as Boltzmann statistical distribution for entropy, that is called Boltzmann statistical distribution for entropy. Boltzmann statistical distribution for entropy. अब आपने ये देखा स्टूडेंट्स, जब आप बोल्ट्जमैन स्टैटिस्टिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ एंट्रोपी को ड्राइव कर रहे थे इक्वेशंस को, तब आपने सेकंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का भी यूज किया और थर्ड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का भी यूज किया, बिकॉज दीज आर स्टैटिस्टिकल इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ सेकंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स एंड थर्ड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू सेकंड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स एंट्रोपी ऑफ द यूनिवर्स विल बी कंटिन्यूअसली इंक्रीजिंग, एंड when you find the value of that constant of integration then we always use Nernst heat equations या थर्ड लॉ ऑफ थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. ठीक है, सो ये दो आर्टिकल आपको करने थे स्टूडेंट्स, एनसेम्बल एंड relationship between entropy and thermodynamical probability. Okay.